Ever heard of an 11-year-old going for a trek and not being buried inside a phone screen? Let me introduce you to my family, where everyone loves staying outdoors more than being at home itself. Whether it's my love for tennis, my son's football matches, or the family treks, exploring the great outdoors is our way of spending quality family time. Trekking had become our weekly ritual, and just like that, the outdoors became our second home. But just like any good story, my story had a villain, and a tennis injury played spoil sport in our fun. I had a major knee surgery, which made me bedridden for months. The recovery phase didn't just keep me to my bed, but also confined my family inside the house. Us as a family being unable to explore outdoors and enjoy our time together, that hurt more than the knee. While I was recovering, we decided to upgrade to a new SUV. But it needed to be comfortable enough for my knee, as well as capable enough to give back to my family the thrills of an adventure. In came our knight in shining armor. And just like that, my 2 legs turned into 4 wheels. The Meridian enabled us to trek in a whole new way, taking us comfortably through incredibly challenging terrains to amazing new places. Finally, our family routine is back on track. Be it long drives across cities or off-roading events, the capability of the Meridian surprises us almost every time. The twinkle in my son's eyes when he sees our SUV glide through these tough terrains is just priceless. Exploring together simply makes the adventure twice as exciting. And when we discovered the Jeep community, our happiness knew no bounds. Through our trips and trails with fellow Jeepers, we found our extended family in a home away from home, the wild outdoors. For the 3 of us, the world is our adventure park and the Meridian our roller coaster. I am Debjit Roy Chowdhury, a corporate leader, an adventure enthusiast, and a family man. This is my Jeep story.